मैं कभी ऐसे किसी ऐप पे नहीं गई हूँ and I'm also very technologically challenged. I enjoy the attention, but I'll never I've never made the first move. I'm a little bit of a pattu like that.
So now I want to know कि तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा generation gap कौन से family member के साथ feel होता है? And what is it usually regarding?
मेरे और खुशी के बीच में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा जनरेशन गैप होता है क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैं आदम जमाने की इंसान हूँ उसके सामने. She's very and she is like from the future. I think the way that she thinks and how independent and fun and chilled out she is about things, and I'm very I think I'm mama ki mama, you know, in some ways, how sensitive I am, how needy I am. So the generation gap there is massive, and I'm also very technologically challenged.
So what is that one conversation Gen Z must have with their parents and one conversation they should not have?
I think one conversation that they should have with their parents is just to have an open dialogue, I think, about relationships, because I think it's such a defining factor of any, you know, young person's life. And one conversation they shouldn't have, I don't know. I mean, I think a big part of your childhood and your youth is to be a little bit of a rebel and do things that you're not supposed to do. Like yesterday, for the first time, I told my dad that I lied to him and I told him that I was going for a movie, but I took a flight and I went to Vegas from LA and I roamed around around Vegas and I took the flight back in the morning and he didn't know. But I think that was the thrill of it, and I'm not encouraging this kind of behavior, but I mean,
yeah,
enjoy yourself a little bit, I guess. Just don't push it.
And when it comes to romance and dating, do you think your generation is lucky to have so much choice, or is it a bad thing?
वो अच्छा ही है, लेकिन but ऐसे मैं कभी ऐसे किसी ऐप पे नहीं गई हूँ, so I don't know the perks of that. But a lot of my friends, you know, use Bumble and they go on these dates, and I think वो एक मजेदार एक्सपीरियंस ही होता है. आप नए लोगों से मिल पाते हो, नई चीजें सीख पाते हो, तो आई थिंक एक ओपननेस आ गया जो कि अच्छी बात है, आई थिंक.
And speaking of romance and dating, in this generation, it's all about women making the first move, right? So Janvi, have you ever asked someone out?
Never, but I'm very sly. I'm very I'll drop my hints, but I won't make it too obvious till I know that the other person is for sure interested. But मजा आता है ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे eyelash bat करने में, थोड़ा ऐसे मजाकी बनने में. I enjoy the attention, but I'll never I've never made the first move. I'm a little bit of a pattu like that.
मैं तुम्हें कुछ short forms दूंगी and you have to tell me if you know their full forms or not.
Okay.
But there's a twist, because you have to talk like Kylie Jenner when you answer.
Oh my God, I don't know if I can. अभी see, मैं अभी बिहारी diction classes कर रही हूँ और अभी आप बोल रहे हो कि अच्छा ठीक है कर रही हूँ. I'll do it. I'm gonna try.
You can, yeah.
I'm gonna try. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna do it.
Oh my God. What is IMO?
IMO. I don't know, but I feel like it should be something like I'm missing out. I don't know. Is that what it means?
Well, I think IMO is in my opinion.
Oh God. ये बहुत ही बड़ा flop हो रहा है.
TB8.
Okay, to be honest, is that what it means?
To be honest.
Yeah.
Yes. IKR.
I know, right?
Oh, wow. This is really going well, yeah. LMK.
Let me know.
NGL.
Never get... Ooh. Give up. नहीं हो रहा.
Not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie. अच्छा ठीक है. आज मैं WhatsApp पे ये भेजने वाली हूँ.
ICYMI.
I really don't know. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to help me out with this. I don't know.
In case you missed it.
I definitely clearly missed it.
And RN, I think this even I know, so.
Right now. Right now.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
IDK. IDK also is quite easy.
Yeah, I don't know. That's what IDK is.
Yeah, I don't know. And HMU, it's not hair and makeup.
How much? कहाँ है मेरी बहन?
Hit me up.
Hit me up. Okay.
Yeah, God, this is sounding like, I mean, actually, do people talk like this?
You know, more than this Gen Z language, you need to create a dictionary of your terms in your language, because I think, forget Gen Z, all of India and all of Bombay is only talking in your slang terms. guts and what else? So many words I keep hearing.
Mess. Yeah. Are you very active on social media?
Not as much as I should be.
Yeah.
Not at all. In fact, like Karan, my team, they're all, I think, once every week or 2 weeks, they have a meeting with me and they're like, "Ho kya raha hai? Why are you not posting?" Like, I don't know. I mean, I post when I want to post. It's just I don't feel like as often.
Yeah. So now let's talk about today's text messaging culture. अगर कोई तुम्हें directly call करता है without texting first, like, do you pick up the call?
I prefer phone calls. Texting में मैं बहुत मतलब बेकार हूँ. मैं reply करती ही नहीं हूँ. And like so many times I've typed out messages और मैं send करना भूल जाती हूँ. तो please call me. Don't text me. I'm the worst texter in the world.
No WhatsApp. You prefer calling actually?
Yeah, even to WhatsApp. WhatsApp, I've discovered this new thing where like I can make stickers of myself. So I don't even type messages anymore. I just send like stickers and like reactions of my own face.
Oh God, that's quite cool.